welcome to your next part of exploring and doing a challenge or an activity. And what this is about putting out as little paint as possible, little bit of paint, and then taking a very small paintbrush and then painting something. So whether it's on paper, whether it's a clay item or whatever that is, you will know what that is. And what you're going to do is it's about teaching you how to take little steps at a time. So if you are placing a little bit of paint in this area, then you're going to obviously mix it in between. That teaches you how to respect the amount of paint, how to respect your subject matter, all of those things. So whatever you're painting, that teaches you how to just appreciate the whole thing as a whole and break it down into small steps. And then how that teaches you later is obviously the same ripple effect of taking one step at a time and then building it up for an end result. So enjoy your weekly activity.